Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over. Interstate 30 right there.
We can get Cornbread to quit cussing. We're gonna start a video out, yeah. What we doing today, Cornbread?
Resetting traps.
Resetting traps.
Maybe it won't rain for a day.
Maybe. I don't care if it rains. Rain's one thing. It's 8 inches of rain in a 24-hour period that kills me. If it's just a little old rain, I catch animals. When it does what it's been doing, we just come click them off and take a break. Gotta save gas. You know, this new president's gonna have gas where it's $12.50 a gallon. That right there needs one. Worst place that we ought to have one there already. Alright, y'all, we'll bring y'all back when we're doing this. We're finna move some traps, this is. Here. We'll be back here directly. Okay, they won't let me do it. I ain't just hang it up so y'all can see him do it. Now it comes to handling the stank, they can film that. If they don't do that, then we get out of that short of buckets, making bigger shit. This right here is a trash pile set. Thank you, Matt Jones. Bobcat killer. Alright. This is going out for the boy on Instagram and TikTok. You see the gloves he's wearing to set that trap? That's the same gloves we use to dig into the stank and everything else. Every time. We catch animals. Been kind of slow because of the rain up here. But I think we're finna have a week of good time, and I think we're finna kill it. And he's worried about ignorant shit, covering up chains. I don't do that either.
I do.
They don't make a damn. They can't see that chain at night. All you're doing is blocking down my fucking trap. Alright. I'm finna do the stank. I'm gonna let him record it. Alright, we're gonna put some top dog predator bait in there. I think this is mainly bobcat, but I ain't sure. I ain't never asked him. Red or whatever. It's ripe, but it ain't as ripe as some of the stuff I use. You're gonna stick that right up under there. Got feathers in there for eye appeal. You probably can't see none of that. I just did. Feathers in there for eye appeal. Then I'm gonna take some of this finicky feline and I'm gonna put in there. It's a lure. Got one that I'm gonna put on there. It's a secret. I ain't gonna tell you about it. Put a little piss on it. I got a turd sitting right there. Old dried out coyote turd. Of course, my sprayer's froze. Put a little coyote piss right there. It don't matter what piss you put. I got bobcat too, but that was handy. Alright, me and Cornbread, we got 7-8 traps up. We're gonna come back, check them probably in the morning. Day's Wednesday or Thursday, I ain't even sure.
My bad.
Cornbread trying to kill us, looking at signs. There's only about 40-foot gulch he about to run us off into.
Hey, your side.
Yeah, this whole truck gonna be in it. This ain't the end of the video. I'm going fishing this evening. Probably just gonna run it all into one big long video. Unless I have a hell of a day fishing. If I have a hell of a day fishing, this will be the end of it. What's up today, lifers? We're out here at Tankersly, Lake X as I like to call it, with the Optimized Outdoor boys, is that right?
That's right. Yes, sir. Optimized outdoor.
That's it.
He's gonna show us where the big ones are out here.
They drove down here to fish with me today, and I'd won a giveaway, and we can come out here and see if we can catch a few fish on this winter bite. Yeah. It's gonna be tough.
Yeah.
We had about 3 inches of snow up here 2 days ago. 3 or 4 inches.
You got quite a bit down here, didn't you?
Yeah.
We got snow, but it didn't stick at all.
Yeah.
I live about an hour away from, I got about an inch and a half.
Where are you at?
Locksburg,
Locksburg.
it's an hour north of Texarkana.
Oh, okay. Alright. Well, we finna start fishing. When we get some, we'll be back here directly. Y'all know we gotta get it kicked off right. Gotta have that diet do.
I got the Dr. Pepper in the car.
Alright, people, the wind noise gonna suck today, but we're gonna fish. And we got about an 8-mile-an-hour south wind. Look at that swag right there. There we go. That no cast king. Royal Legend GT. See how it casts. That's pretty good cast right now, reel. I ain't adjusted it much.
Oh, they're real good, dude. I've looked into them. I just haven't bought one.
That's all I've been buying. I hadn't, you know, not the... Must be a little bit of grass left out there.
You want your tie?
Yeah.
It's a big old gar.
Man, he catches big fish or whatever he's catching.
That's right.
They're big.
Talk to you about going up there and having you put me on some of them reds.
Yeah. I've been supposed to go down there ever since they started a channel. I just hadn't made it down there, man. Throw that 4DG. Probably need to be black and blue, but we're gonna throw what we got tied on. Wow.
Every bait counts. Bait lives matter. Yeah, hook into the weakest, fragilest eye on the hook on the pole. That's what I did. You get the second outlet. Get the second outlet, yeah. You can lose that one. You'll be alright. There you go. Now you grab that branch and pull it on in. Grab the branch and break it to you. Or that. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's a cheap one.
Uh-oh.
Right now, it's if he falls in, this will go viral. Oh, that for nothing.
It's just a little, it's not like a traditional spillway. It's like a pond spillway. Art lives right off the road.
Oh yeah?
There's 2 or 3 houses just right off there.
He locked his car. Yeah, they
Alright, lifers, we came out here, we did it. We didn't catch jack doodah. Like I say, we were busting snow off the ground 2 days ago. I didn't expect a lot. Had fun, met some new people. Y'all go check them out. I'll have them linked in the description. Optimize Outdoor. Go give them a follow. They're putting out some banger content. Check them out. They actually catch fish. You know, I hadn't caught a fish in about 4 weeks since I've caught a fish. I think they've caught fish since then. So y'all might enjoy their videos more than mine. All right, like, share, subscribe, go check them out, and we go.